My name is Philip Weld. I work at part owner of Production Transport. We're an event transportation management company based out of Los Angeles. So Zoho Projects is actually a very valuable tool for our project management. Like I said, I work in events, and so we use a separate project for every event that we work, and that project keeps everyone associated with that event on track, and that way they know what to do and when to do it. And so it's a very valuable tool for our company to make sure that we're covering everything that needs to be covered for every event that we work. So for us, the biggest aspects of Zoho Projects is the automation and the collaboration, because we have multiple teams working together for every event that we work. And Zoho Projects is a good tool for allowing that collaboration and for allowing that sort of planning, both pre-planning and on-the-fly planning. Yeah, I would absolutely recommend this to other project managers. I thought it was what was one of the bigger reasons I would recommend it is because they start from the basic level and allows you to get an understanding of the lower level functions before going into the higher level functions, which I thought was a very useful aspect, not only to myself, but for many others as well. Turn every project into a success story.